If you're wondering how to move money from your bank account straight into your Cash app, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start using your funds instantly for spending, investing, or sending to friends. Stick with me until the end for a few pro tips to make the most of your Cash app balance. First, open your Cash app. Before you can transfer any money, make sure your bank account is linked. To do that, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Linked Banks and either connect your bank or verify your existing link. This step is crucial. Without a linked bank, you won't be able to add funds. Once that's set, head back to your home screen. Right below your balance, tap Add Cash. Enter the exact amount you want to transfer. You can type it manually or use the preset amounts. For example, if you want to move $10, just enter 10 and confirm. Cash App may ask for a quick verification like a facial scan or PIN for security, and that's it. Your funds are added instantly. Unlike traditional bank transfers, there's no waiting period, which means you can use your money right away. Spend it with your Cash App card, send it to friends, take advantage of boost discounts, or even invest in stocks or Bitcoin. It's all available immediately. The process is simple, fast, and secure, making Cash App one of the easiest ways to move money from your bank into a digital wallet. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, easy guides. And if you want to maximize your Cash App experience, check the description. I've included extra tips and updates you don't want to miss.